Hello everyone, welcome to this video. As we discussed earlier that there are two ways of importing inbound shipments in Odoo. First is create an inbound shipment on Amazon Seller Center and then after importing those shipments in Odoo. The second option is to create entire inbound shipment plan in Odoo. In this video we will discuss about the second option and we will create an inbound shipment plan in Odoo. So here I am on my Odoo database. I'll go to Amazon application. I'll go to operation. Select the seller for which I want to create an inbound shipment plan. Operation for that will be FBA. Here in the operations, I'll select create inbound shipment plan. I'll select the marketplace for which I want to create inbound shipment. And when I click on this execute button, system will create a draft inbound shipment plan wherein I need to modify and add certain information in order to create my inbound shipment. Now here, based on the marketplace that I had selected, system has selected some information, that is the warehouse. This warehouse has been derived from the resupply warehouse configuration that I have added in my FBA warehouse. Now here the first information that I need to enter, that is the adding product. Now there are two ways of adding product in the inbound shipment plan. The first is either I can select the product manually over here, and the second option I can import the product through CSV. So if I click here import product through CSV, I can download the sample attachment. This is the sample attachment wherein I can add certain information, 3 fields, that is seller SKU, quantity that I want to send to Amazon, and quantity in case. So once I have added this information, I can upload that file over here and I can click on import product buttons. If I want to select the product through this wizard, then I need to select the products that I want to send to Amazon. Quantity in case. Now let me explain you the other fields that is visible on the screen. The first is the label preparation service. Now here I can see 3 options in the drop down option. The first is seller label. This means that seller will generate the labels for the product they are planning to send in inbound shipment. The second option is Amazon label only. If this option means that for all the product Amazon will generate the labels. In this case, if an Amazon determines that the information that is required to generate the labels is not available, then they will not include this product in the shipments. So make sure that you have added sufficient information needed to generate the labels before you add those product in the inbound shipment. And the third option is Amazon label preferred. This means that Amazon, if Amazon feels that the required information is not available to generate the labels, in this case the seller generated labels will be used. Next option is partner type and the shipping type. Here seller can select whether this inbound shipment plan will be partnered carrier program or it will be covered under non-partnered carrier. And here that the shipping type option, that means whether this inbound shipment will be small parcel or it will be LTL. The next option is are cases required. If users are sending quantity in cases to Amazon, then this configuration is required. And the other option is intended box content source. By default, system will select this option as a feed, and that means that seller would need to add the intended box content information, because in some of the regions this information is mandatory, and without this information Amazon will charge per unit fee. Now once I have added this information, I can click on create inbound shipment plan. If there is any issue with the information provided by a seller in this plan, then system will automatically move this inbound shipment to the cancelled state, and there can be several reasons behind this cancellation, like a seller has selected Amazon labels only, but Amazon doesn't find the sufficient information to generate the labels. The second reason can be the selected products doesn't exist on Amazon Seller Center. In this case, seller need to create those products first on Amazon site, then do the required mapping, and then they can add those products in the shipment plans. So whatever the cancellation reasons are there, seller will find these reasons in the error log. Accordingly, seller can take necessary actions, corrective actions, and after that they can again try processing with this inbound shipment plan. Now here I have already added the required information, so let us click on create inbound shipment plan button. So if everything goes smooth and there isn't any error message, then Amazon should return back with this information that these are the 3 products that I need to send to Amazon, and these are the fulfillment centers where I need to send my shipment to. So there can be multiple fulfillment centers based on your stock availability. Amazon will suggest the fulfillment center wherein you need to send your inbound shipment to. So once this pop-up window appear on my screen, I can click on create shipment button if this is acceptable to the seller. But if there is any changes, then I can click on the cancel button. I can do the modification in my existing inbound shipment plan, and then I can again process with this inbound shipment plan. But once user click on the create shipment button, they confirm the shipment creation, and after that the necessary pickings and transfers will be created in Odoo based on this configuration. So this was all about creating inbound shipment plan in Odoo. Now once my plan gets created in Odoo, I can see the inbound shipment plan in my FBA tab, and one inbound shipment plan may consist multiple inbound shipment, and all the related inbound shipments are visible in the inbound shipment plan itself. So when I click here, I can see all the inbound shipment that was created related to that inbound shipment plan. So this was all about creating inbound shipment plan in Odoo. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much.